is an MSI GP66 Leopard. Pretty awesome card, pretty awesome laptop, rather. It's got a 3070 in it. So if you're looking to take it apart and upgrade the SSD or the RAM or anything like that, what you need to do is flip it around. I've actually already taken this one apart, and I decided to make this after. This has to come off first. This is a little plastic piece here just of the chassis. It's on there like this. This is the first thing you have to take off. If you don't take this off, you're gonna break some clips in there. So this goes here. If you have like a guitar pick or like a plastic pry bar or something, you get it under there, you pop this off. Pop that back piece off. Flip your computer around. So on this computer there are 11 screws. I've already taken them out. They are all the same. There's another one there. They are right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this one is underneath of this little factory seal there, so you need to break that to get at that screw. And when that's off and you've got that little back plate, this little piece right here popped off, you can just get around the edges here and pry this whole back off. So you take the back off, and here's what the computer looks like. Here's your fans. You got your nice copper heat bar, whatever the heck they're called there. For your thermals, another fan there. Your battery is here. So if you want to take the battery out, here's the cable right there. Make sure you're very gentle taking that out. There's one screw right here that holds it down. So if you take that screw out, you can then take the battery out. There's nothing underneath of that. Underneath here is this is your RAM. So there's one RAM stick. Another RAM stick under there. Underneath this one here is your m.2 SSDs. So this is stuck on there, I can't get there. So I added actually another one on mine. As you can see, it comes with one, I think it's a 1 terabyte that my computer came with, and I added another 2 terabyte to it. So it's real easy. You just stick it in there and you're good to go. That's all you gotta do. That's how you get in this thing. It takes you about 5 minutes when you know what you're doing, maybe less. I'm going to seal it all up and then show you what it looks like closed. We are all sealed up. Just those screws you can see. Get those screws in there. Put this one back. All sealed up. That little clamshell piece has been snapped back into place. Nice and easy. It takes just a couple minutes to seal it back up. Pretty easy to take it apart. The key thing that you need to do though is take this top piece off. That's it. You pop this off yourself with some little plastic pry bar. I used a guitar pick for mine. Just something. That's got to come off first. You don't get that off, you're gonna snap a clip. That's it. That's all you got to do. Easy to do. Easy to install upgrades onto this thing. Excellent laptop.